In this problem, it says a sample of 4 different calculators is randomly selected without replacement from a group containing 18 that are defective and 40 that have no defects. What is the probability that at least one of the calculators is defective? So first of all, we have 18 defective, 40 that are not defective, which means that there's a total of 58. Now, these 4 calculators are being selected without replacement. That's important to take note of. So when I come over here and I want to calculate the probability of at least one defective calculator out of the 4, I'm going to use the formula 1 minus the probability that none are defective, because the opposite of at least one being defective is that none are defective. So we're going to use the complement in order to calculate this. So what's the probability that none are defective? Well, first of all, on our first trial, we have a 40 out of 58 probability that we will get one that is not defective. And since we're selecting without replacement, the probability the second one is not defective is 39 out of 57. And then I continue that with the third one being 38 out of 56. And finally, the fourth one has a probability of 37 out of 55 of not being defective. When I put this in the calculator and I round to the nearest thousandth, I get 0.785. And that's my final answer.